Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to insert the SIM card into the device. So to get started, you will need something like a SIM eject tool. Now I don't have one, so I'm gonna use a paper clip, as you can see. And the tray is located on the left side of the device, so you just wanna push it out like so. You can see that it came out a bit, so then you can pull it all the way. And here you have only space for one SIM card. Place it, make sure that it's laying flush, and while holding it securely, slide it back into the device. And immediately, at least for me, it tells me to put in the PIN code for the SIM card, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, so as you can see, the card is working, and that's how you're inserted. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.